Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants fast. Start with ready-made or quick dough, grate cold butter, and fold 3 times with 20-minute rests between folds. Roll thin, cut small triangles, and chill briefly before baking. Use a warm oven and egg wash for a glossy crust. Bake until deep golden, then cool slightly and enjoy warm croissants that stay flaky and flavorful. In this video, I will explain how to make croissants fast. Grate cold butter so it disperses quickly, fold the dough 3 times with about 20-minute rests, and avoid overflouring. Roll thinner than usual and cut smaller triangles to shorten baking time. Chill briefly between steps to keep butter firm but workable, then finish with an egg wash for shine and bake until deep golden for crisp, layered croissants. In this video, I will help you make croissants fast. Roll to about 5 millimeters and cut consistently sized triangles to ensure even, speedy baking. Preheat the tray and oven so croissants get immediate oven spring, and use egg wash for a glossy finish. Bake until deep golden, then cool briefly to let layers set. Serve warm for the best flaky texture and buttery aroma, and enjoy quicker pastry success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.